Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In the previous video, we had seen the supplier 360-degree view, in which we have seen two phases, qualification and registration. In these two phases, there are different status of suppliers. Supplier status means understanding how a supplier moves step by step and whether that will be qualified or not. SAP Ariba does not treat suppliers as active immediately. Instead, they pass through clearly defined system status. These status help procurement teams control risk, compliance, and quality. From registration to qualification and even disqualification, every phase is documented. For example, a supplier like ABC Packaging does not become business ready instantly. First, they are registered, then accessed, then approved. This structured approach ensures only verified suppliers participate in sourcing and contracts. Understanding these status helps buyers track progress, identify bottlenecks, and maintain governance across the supplier base. So, firstly, we will see the status in the registration phase. So, first is not invited. It means the supplier record exists internally, but the registration email has not been sent yet. For example, ABC Packaging may be approved internally as a potential vendor, but procurement has not triggered the invitation. Second is invited. Invited means the system generated registration email is sent. The supplier receives a link to create their SAP Ariba profile. At this stage, responsibility shift to the supplier. These status help buyers track outreach effectiveness. If suppliers remain in invited status for long, reminders may be required. This ensures suppliers are formally onboarded rather than remaining inactive records in the system. Third phase is in registration. Here we see what happens after the supplier opens the registration link. In registration means the supplier has started filling details but has not submitted the form. ABC Packaging may enter company and bank details but pause due to missing GST documents. Fourth is pending approval, which means the supplier has submitted the form and procurement review begins. Buyers verify PAN, GST, bank proof, and compliance data. This step is crucial because errors here can lead to future payment or legal issues. SAP Ariba ensures no supplier proceed without validation. These status provide visibility into supplier responsiveness and internal review workload. Fifth is the registered, which means the supplier has passed verification and is officially onboarded in SAP Ariba. ABC Packaging is now eligible for sourcing events. Sixth is registration denied, which occurs when documents are incorrect, expired, or non-compliant. For example, wrong bank details or expired licenses can trigger rejection. This does not necessarily end the relationship but requires correction and re registration. These outcomes protect the organization from financial and compliance risks. Clear outcomes also help suppliers understand exactly where they stand in the onboarding journey. Now we have completed the registration phase. Now we will see the qualification phase. Once the registration is complete, qualification begins, in which first is qualification not started, means the supplier is registered but procurement has not initiated assessment. ABC Packaging may be waiting for category specific evaluation. Second is qualification started, which means questionnaires are sent covering certifications, capacity, safety, and policies. For example, ABC Packaging receives questions on ISO standards and production capabilities. This phase evaluates whether the supplier is fit for a specific category, not just registered. Qualification ensures suppliers meet operational, quality, and regulatory expectations before real business engagement begins. Third is in qualification. In qualification means the supplier is filling the questionnaire but has not submitted it yet. ABC Packaging may still be uploading audit reports. Fourth is pending qualification approval, which means submission is complete and procurement is reviewing the process. Buyers analyze certificates, audit results, and capacity claims. This stage is analytical and risk focused. SAP Ariba tracks these status to ensure no supplier bypasses evaluation. Delays here often indicate document gaps or internal review dependencies, making this a key monitoring stage for procurement teams. Fifth one is pending qualification approval to pending qualification resubmit, which means buyers request changes. For example, ABC Packaging may upload an expired ISO certificate. Procurement flags this and requests an updated version. Once corrected, status moves back to pending qualification approval. This loop ensures accuracy and compliance without immediate rejection. It reflects real-world collaboration between buyers and suppliers. SAP Ariba records all revisions, creating audit trails. This controlled revision cycle improves data quality while maintaining fairness and transparency in suppliers' assessment. After this, there is a final qualification decision. If it is rejected, means the supplier fails to submit minimum criteria such as safety or compliance standards. ABC packaging may be rejected for a specific category. Qualified, which means the supplier meets all the requirements and becomes approved for business. ABC packaging now passes quality, compliance, and capability checks. Qualification is category specific, meaning a supplier may be qualified for one category and rejected for another. This ensures precise risk control. Qualified suppliers can now participate fully in sourcing, contract, and procurement operations. After that, disqualification applies only to previously qualified suppliers. Qualified, then to in disqualification means issues have triggered a review. For example, repeated quality complaints against ABC packaging initiate disqualification. After that, in disqualification to pending disqualification approval means evidence is documented and submitted for management approval. Compliance violations, audit failures, or performance issues are reviewed. This process ensures disqualification is not arbitrary. SAP Ariba ensures approvals to maintain governance. This stage balances supplier accountability with fairness. After that, qualified to disqualified. Disqualified means management has approved removal of the supplier. ABC Packaging is officially disqualified due to failed audits effective from a defined date. The supplier is removed from approved vendor list and cannot participate in sourcing events. This does not always mean permanent removal. Requalification may be possible later. Disqualification protects the organization from ongoing risk. SAP Ariba ensures traceability and control even at the end of supplier lifecycle. So we are done here with the qualification and registration phase. We have covered all the statuses, and in the next video, we will go through the supplier request, how to create the supplier request. Thank you. That's all for the video. Like, share, and subscribe.